coming down the chute.
There we go.
Again, they have to stay in their lane until they get to the guide pylon, and then it's a race. You can see Sherman.
This is the look on board from the 4th position. We ideally could see 3 planes in front of Sherman Smoot.
The race is on.
Everyone in the start now, 7 planes, and we are going. 6 laps, 47 miles.
Dreadnought headed to the Valley of Speed for the first time in this race. Let's see what happens.
Dreadnought through the Valley of Speed. As we go around, they're going to head to, of course, around the course to our steel start-finish pylon. Get things started proper, but we are racing right now, make no mistake about it.
Looks like Dreadnought, Sawbones, number 2, Miss America, number 3, as they started. Behind them is Sherman Smoot, number 114, Argonaut. Mark Watt, 924. Listen to those planes go by the pylons.
Swagger in the Dreadnought, race number 8. Not what you call a super comfortable lead that you can just retire on, but a good, healthy lead this early in the race.
He's got the most power. He's got the most wins of this group. Not Joel himself, but that aircraft has won twice before here at Reno.
Certainly one of the favorites coming into this all-important week here and living up to the billing so far.
He's coming back to the steel home pylon.
He's a winner of race 2A yesterday, and right behind him, Curt Brown and the Sawbones.
Here comes Miss America with Brent Hisey. Showing up from the pylon cam, you can see Dreadnought coming over the hills.
Just about at the straight up 12 o'clock position on our round race course here, or oval, I should say.
Roundish oval.
Roundish oval, good way to put it.
Coming back down the Valley of Speed, here he goes.
Still sporting a comfortable lead ahead of Curt Brown and Sawbones.
That's a very big lead at this point.
All right, as they head to pylon 7, 8, and 9, give a listen.
Right behind her is Argonaut with Sherman Smoot. Mark Watt, 924. And our little yak that could, full noise.
Goldfinger also in the mix there. We are looking at the same order we started with at this point. No one has been able to shake up that lineup yet, but we got some more laps left to go.
Dreadnought coming back down the Valley of Speed. It's just pulling out in front of Sawbones.
It's running like on rails, as they say, despite these windy conditions. They're doing a little bouncing around. We can't really see it here.
Did see Sawbones caught a little bad air coming around 8 and 9 in the previous lap. Let's see what he does here. Oh, he's back on his rail. Here comes Miss America. Dr. Hisey.
Out of Oklahoma City and back to Joel Swagger in race number 8, the Dreadnought. Top billing coming in here and still hanging in that first position.
Back in that that 12 o'clock position, getting in even lower than he was before. Headed towards the valley of speed.
Halfway through more than halfway through lap number 4 right now.
Dreadnought has it in the valley of speed. Sawbones is still behind him, but doesn't look like it's much of a race for first.
Top 7 are just kind of spread out. It's like they started together and all decided to put some space between one another.
In this weather, it's probably a good idea.
Not a bad idea. It's still safe.
This is our white flag lap. That's we just got the white flag call. Dreadnought, Sawbones, Miss America.
Swagger just keep it between the ditches, take it on home, and collect another win here. That's the plan, anyway.
You see her over there in the back of the course one more time. Heading for that valley of speed. One thing I'm noticing about this race, no lapping anyone.
No, I was kind of wondering at the midpoint, would it be possible? I don't think he's going to quite get there, Joel Swagger. Going to be able to take over race 35.
Maybe I spoke too soon.
No, not going to quite make it, but lap it. But boy, is going to make it in first place with a comfortable margin. Dreadnought Joel Swagger, race 8, taking the win again.
Checkered flag. Right behind him is Curt Brown, Sawbones, number 71. They're going up into the cool down. Kind of get their heads together, get their airplanes. Here comes Miss America, Brent Hisey. Nicely done.
Coming across in third place, unofficially. All of this is unofficial at present.
Let's watch the onboard cam with Sherman Smoot as he comes across the home pylon for the final. See if we can see the checkered flag.
Sherman Smoot averaged a 363.8 in race 2. Interesting to see how it was faster or slower today. You would think with the wind, maybe slower.
I would think slower. That was Sherman Smoot going past the home pylon. Here comes Mark Watt and Mike Brown. They're making it interesting. 924, Goldfinger. And here is Full Noise with Graham Frew.
Aircraft off the course, wind 230 at 19 airspeed 29.
Give you another look at